welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the seated mid-pulley narrow parallel grip cable row. To perform the seated mid-pulley narrow parallel grip cable row, sit on a bench facing the cable machine and plant your feet firmly on the floor. Or, if you're using a cable machine with a foot support, plant your feet firmly on the foot supports. Flex your hips to reach forward and grasp the handles with a closed, neutral grip. Pull the handle back and sit in an erect seated position with your torso perpendicular to the floor and knees flexed. Pull the handle toward your abdomen, keeping your elbows tucked in as close as possible to your body to enhance recruitment of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle. This will be your starting position. Inhale as you guide the handle slowly and under control until your elbows are fully extended and your arms are parallel or slightly below parallel to the ground. Make sure the weight stack is suspended in the air and not touching the remainder of the weight stack. Exhale as you pull the handle toward your abdomen, retracting your shoulder blades and pushing your chest up and out at the end of the movement. Your forearms or wrists should make contact with the sides of your torso, and the D-handle should touch your abdomen. Maintain the same upright posture throughout the movement. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.